So let's first speak about the history of Caterpillar in UK.
Okay, so here in Desford, it's running, I assume. Yeah. So here in Desford, we've been here for 60 years. 60 years ago, Caterpillar, right after the Second World War, had a lot of tractors running in Europe, and they needed parts, and we didn't have any parts warehouse in Europe. So we built this facility, or we bought this facility. It was actually an airstrip from the Royal Air Force, and we built a parts depot. And that was probably for about 10 years it was a parts depot, and then we started building our first products. And the first products that we built here were lift trucks for in warehouses. Since then we've built many different products here. Today we had products move in and move out. Today we have the majority of what we built here is backhoe loaders, and then we built compact wheel loaders, and we built mini excavators, and those are the three main product lines that are coming out of the factory today.
Can you speak more about the innovation and how you put them in the production today?
Right.
We have seen a lot of innovation coming.
Well, today we introduced a lot of models, 50 models this year and 20 some today. So a lot of new products are coming to the market. Caterpillar takes about 3 years to develop a new product. And the innovation, we always first of all look at our customers and see what our customers would like to have. We look at their application. We have application specialists that look at, okay, how can we help the customer be most efficient in digging a hole, creating a road, helping build a house. Then also we obviously look at what's available in the industry, what kind of technology is coming through, and where a lot of things used to be mechanical, then hydraulics came over, and now obviously everybody's looking at hybrids. So there's a lot of innovation from a technology perspective that we see coming. Normally we see that innovation coming early because it's initially far too expensive. It's used in aerospace, but we know over time it will become cheaper, so we can use it in our machines and in cars. Cars have always the volume advantage over earth-moving equipment, because cars made in thousands, so hundreds of thousands, and we make machines in the tens of thousands. So from that perspective, we look at what the car industry brings, we look at what the really advanced stuff coming out of aerospace comes, and then coupling that with what customers want, we try to come up with what's the best solution. And really what the customer wants is really a reliable, quality piece of equipment that gives them the lowest cost cycle over the life cycle, cost over the life cycle.
And from that point of view, how you manage the quality system in the factory?
Well, we have a lot of quality is our brand. Caterpillar stands for quality. Everybody knows that, and we can never lose that. So everything stops if the quality isn't good. We have a number of quality gates, as we call them, and it starts already at the supplier. Some of it is our own. We make a lot of stuff our own, like our engines, etc. So there the quality we know is coming from our own factory is good. But if the supplier is maybe not from Caterpillar, we have people at the supplier to make sure that whatever they make has a high quality. And then all the way through the factory we have these gates that says, okay, through this gate we can only have quality products go. And that goes all the way to the last point where the machine is ready for shipment. And I'm not sure if you've seen it in the factory, we have a white floor, and on that white floor every machine is inspected, and the last quality checks are being made, and only then will we ship it to a customer.
Okay, fine. And at the end, I'd like to ask you about your future expectation. Probably it's difficult to think now in the year when you have 64 new products, but in general, what you could expect for the future?
But it's good because 64 new products means that we have 64 new opportunities for our customers to be better and to improve their business. And we have 64 that we're introducing today, but I have a whole group of engineers here in the factory and in all the factories in Caterpillar working on what we're going to bring out in 2015 and 2016. So, and as long as I see that a company like Caterpillar is continuing to invest in the future, and we have these engineers working on the next generation product, I'm very optimistic that we'll continue to bring out new products that are going to help our customers be successful.